Hi, this is Tommy Carlisle with All Things Florida Real Estate. Welcome. Today I want to talk to the Realtors and what to bring in an open house. These are my items that I think are my mandatories, if you will. The mandatory items that I should bring to every open house. I'll make this list quick. Feel free to comment what you bring to yours or any other ideas that could help the topic. So here we go. The list is, first item, business cards. Make sure you bring your business cards. Business card holders. You need a table, a chair. Believe it or not, you might have some idle time there. It can be a card table, maybe a cover for the table. A notebook, a pen to jot your notes down, your laptop, a trash can. You never know. You can bring a trash can. If the property is vacant, I would certainly say a trash can. If it's not, then maybe the trash can that's already there would work if the house is not vacant. But either way, you want to keep things looking neat. You never know, a potential buyer maybe walk in the property and see some trash in the yard or out in the driveway or something. They bring it in wanting to throw it away. So you can pick you up a cheap trash can from the dollar store even. Peppermints. I heard someone say cookies, bake cookies and bring. I don't know, I kind of stray away from that idea. Cookies, as my wife pointed out, people could eat those and leave crumbs throughout the house. So I don't know. That's a good point. And again, I like the peppermint idea better. You can get the individually wrapped peppermints, have them scattered amongst your table there, maybe in a little dish if you like. Also water, small bottles of water, toiletries, especially if the house is vacant. Not so much if the house is lived in, but if it's vacant, maybe some toiletries, paper towels, toilet paper, soap, hand sanitizer. Finally, a broom and a dustpan. You never know when you get to a property if there's going to be dirt somewhere on the floor or in the corner somewhere. Maybe just brush it up and clean up. And also before you leave, just make sure everything's looking good. So that's my list. And I hope you enjoy the video. I hope to make more videos on other topics. And welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe. And again, feel free to comment. Comments are certainly welcome. God bless you.